Hey guys, One-Eyed Welder here. Well, I'm finally back. I think I got my business rolling, um, and we're gonna be doing some cool stuff. So, um, I got these here that are old, and these are actually pretty much cast-offs from a business partner of mine. And he says, "Here, take these for your wife." And I got three of these that are all different. So that one, this one here, and they've all got little bitty imperfections that he didn't like, but that I don't care about. And so I'm gonna clean them up and possibly paint them or clear coat them. But we're gonna start by cleaning them up and go from there. So stay tuned for the fun. All right, guys, here I am back. These are still a little warm. It's not that warm. So here they are with no rust. There's this one and this one here. Ooh, pretty, right? All right, and then I want to step further with this one. And it is almost a mirror finish. Pretty, 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 right? So, can you imagine having one of these guys in your yard? Pretty awesome, huh? So, all plasma cutting stuff is now happening with the business, and it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be doing all kinds of cool stuff. Oh, and since I've been away for so long, I had some help and I did a live video with Mill Creek Fab Shop and then multiple other guys, 615 Customs, Stuff with Cletus, Robert's Garage, great guys. We all did a big old live stream. Ended up being 6 of us. It was awesome. And so go check out Mill Creek Fab Shop. And big shout out to Bryce DeCastro and Frankenstein, because I'm hopefully going to be fixing the floor pans on Frankenstein pretty soon here. So that'll be a lot of fun. So if you haven't checked out his channel, go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. There'll also be a link to my website in the description if you happen to, be in Arizona or be somewhere, somewhere else and want something plasma cut, let me know. I'll make it happen. All right. So what I was getting at was we hit 350, and I said that when we hit 350 that I would do a burnout in the Firebird. So as soon as I bathe the Firebird, because it's dirty, and put some gear oil in the rear end because it leaks a little bit, I'll make that burnout happen. So I know lots of people are excited to see that. So, all right, guys. Well, there's going to be a lot more welding videos and a lot more shop talk videos and a lot more stuff like this, plasma cutting stuff, everything. So stay tuned, and if you're not already liked and subscribed, like and subscribe, and let me know cool stuff that you think I should plasma cut. I have a 5 by 10 foot table at my disposal, so it's going to be really, really cool, and we're going to make some awesome stuff happen. All right.